Welcome everyone. Let's learn how to create an on-paper assignment using the template that is provided for you in the GCSC template course. You might be wondering, if the assignment is on paper, why would you create something in Canvas? And that is a good question. However, doing this operation allows you to create a space in the gradebook and allows you to easily grade through Canvas while also giving students expectations for the assignment that is going to be turned in on paper. I'm going to navigate to assignments in the course navigation. And from there, I'm looking for the templates grouping. And then I'm going to choose the on paper blank template right here. And I'm going to select the three dots. I'm going to choose duplicate. A duplicate copy will be created. It has the word copy right after it. If I click on that right here, I will then be able to edit that assignment. So I can select edit right here, and I can change the information. I can put the title in the purple bar right here, then the instructions in this space, and telling students what to do has already been included for you. So you don't really need to edit that part, but it is there for you if you need to add any additional information. As you go down the page, you will see other options you can change. The main thing you make sure you do not want to change is the submission type. The submission type should remain on paper. Obviously, you can change the point value. You can change any of those things when the due date is, but just don't change the submission type right here. And then select save, and that assignment will be saved. As always, we want to follow the GCSE best practice of moving our assignments into modules. So I'm going to navigate to modules in the course navigation. I'm going to locate the module where I want to place that assignment, and I'm going to select the plus button. And then I'm going to locate the assignment that I want to place in the module, and I'm going to select add item, and that item will be added. And now I can know that that item is in the module. It'll be able to be accessed by students in the manner that I want them to access that, especially if I use module requirements and prerequisites.